Hey there, fashion bosses. How are you doing? Welcome to another class with Fashion Boss Innovations Academy. In today's tutorial video, we'll be learning how to make this beautiful, elegant gele. Really, if you ask me, I don't know what name to call it. I just came up with it. Some people may call it 3D or something. I just don't know what name to call it. But I think it's really classy, and I thought, to also share the idea with you on how I achieved this. So if this is what you like to learn, please stay to the end of this class. It's a pretty short video. And if this is your first time on this channel, we say welcome. Please do well to subscribe. Okay, so I have here with me already my fan. Okay, so if you don't know how to make fan, I'm going to drop a link in the description box. You just click on it and then you will see how I taught on how to make this fan. I already made it, so I didn't think I should do a video on that. Okay, also have my base, my gele base. I will also drop a link to how this is also made. I have all of this here on this channel, so you have nothing to worry about. So I just pick one of my fan. I actually have the fan in two places. Okay, and then I try to roll it like you can see me do right now to form the rows. Actually, I have videos on this channel on how to achieve the rows. Okay, you can call it, there's so many names. Okay, but let's just stay with it being a rose, and we can only achieve that from making a fan like this and then turning it into that rose. So I just go ahead like you can see me do right now to roll the fan. Okay, I just roll it this way, arrange it, roll it this way. This is how to achieve the fan, guys. It is not difficult at all. Okay, so I just roll it. If I discover it's not firm enough, I have to loosen it and then roll back. I just keep rolling. Okay, like you can see me do. Okay, but I'm not going to exhaust the fan because I want the fan, a part of the fan, to be on the gele base. Okay, hope you understand. So I'm not going to exhaust the fan. If you also want to know what length I use for this project, I use the entire length of the aware. You know what an aware means, right? The length of the gele. I didn't cut it, I just used the entire length. So I am done rolling and I've achieved my fan. I'm just going ahead right now to pin it down, okay, for tacking. So you can see me pinning it in various places. So those are the places I will eventually tack, okay, when I'm ready. Just pinning it, to give it a firmness, and then I will tack afterward. Okay, so I'm done pinning. Okay, it has stayed in place for me. I just grab my gele base. Please see how I am placing this. I make sure that I place it from the tip of the gele, the edge of the tip of the gele, like you can see me do right now. Okay, this is how to place things on your gele if you want it to go around your gele. You see, from the tip of the edge of the gele on the side, that is where I placed it from, and then I will slant it into the middle, guys. We have video on all of this on this channel. Please go through headwear on this channel. It is there. We have them. Okay, a lot. There's so much for you to learn. So I just go ahead and I pin it down first, and then I grab my needle and thread, and then I am tacking right away. It's a simple process, just putting 1 2 3 things we've already known together and achieving a different style. Okay, so I make sure that I'm going to place the rows right now on the center part of the gele, because we're actually merging two roses together to give us the effect of what you saw on the thumbnail. Okay, so please kindly see that I slanted from the end of the edge of the end of the gele into the middle parts of the gele. Okay, and then I picked up the rolls and then I roll it. Okay, so some people will say I robo it, so I just keep rolling so that I can get the kind of firmness, the kind of position and the size that I want. So I'm unable to achieve it properly on the table, so I have to transfer this to my mannequin head, guys, so that I get the kind of positioning that I want. because if you do it on the table and then you finished it on the table and then you now place it on your head, guys, it may not be very balanced. Okay, so the best thing for you to do is to place it on your mannequin head or on your nail. Hope you understand. Yes, I do. Okay, so I just go ahead to roll my rose again. Okay, bringing it properly into the center point of the base, like you can see me do, and then I'm going to pin and then eventually tack on the point that I am going to pin. So guys, if you watch this video up to this point and you've not subscribed, I want to encourage you to please do so. Please tap on the subscription button and do well to tap on the bell. The bell enables you to get notification each time we drop videos here on this channel. Like you already know, or if you do not know, in this channel or on this channel we drop both sewing tutorials and headwear tutorials, so it's a place to be. Please avail yourself of the opportunity that we've made available for you. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead to keep pinning. Please note the points I'm pinning are the points I'm going to tack. Okay, but for the benefits of this class, I may not do all the tacking, so the video is not excessively, oh Jesus, lengthy. Okay, so I'm done tacking. You see, standing all firm and beautiful. I'm going to go ahead right now to roll the second rows and then bring it all together. You see, it's beautiful. I'm going to tack it down. Okay, so I have the second rows. I'm going to, you know, replicate what we did on the first one. This is the second rows, guys. I'm going to replicate what we did on the first one and then place it on the head of the mannequin and then tack. And guys, that is it about this tutorial. Okay, so I'm just going to start forming my rows again like we did for the first one. Okay, so I'm just forming the rows. All you need to do is to roll it properly. Okay, after forming your fan, do not forget I said I am going to drop a link on the description box, okay, to know how to achieve the fan design. Okay, so I am done achieving my rows, guys. Okay, I'm bringing down my gele base again, and then I'm going to place it and then take it back to the head of the mannequin to finish it up for proper placement and positioning. So you also see that I make sure that the parts of the fan that we did not turn into rows starts from the edge and end of the gele. Okay, so that is what we did. All right, so I'm going to bring up my camera so you can see it properly. Okay, so I'm just going to place it this way, just the same way we placed the first one, and then I'm going to pin it down before tacking. Okay, like we did for the first one. All right, so please kindly subscribe, kindly subscribe, kindly subscribe, kindly subscribe. Tap on the bell to get notification when we drop new videos, guys. Thanks for your support. For our returning subscribers, thank you so very much for your support. Please, while I'm saying this, kindly pay attention to what I'm doing on the head of the mannequin. So I was saying, thank you so very much for your support. For our returning subscriber, thanks for always coming back. We love and appreciate you. You are the reason why we are still standing. Thank you so very much. Please recommend this channel to your friends, your family members, your colleague, your clients, and every other person that you deem fit to know about this channel for craft skills acquisition and all of that, upgrade and all of that. And you, the first timer, if this is your first time, please do not go away without subscribing. I'm sure the reason why you are still watching this video is because you probably found a bit of value. Please do well to subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up, give it a like, share it, make it go viral, and do not forget to drop your question for adventure you have any. So I just continue placing my roses this way, you know, pinning down necessary places that I'm going to tack, and that is also going to make our gele look beautiful afterwards, you know. And then guys, we are done with this project. As you can see, oh my god, it is looking so elegant, so classy, so trendy, and so beautiful, guys. So I'm just going to tack this part properly, okay, and I think we'll be good to go after the tacking, okay. So please, if you've learned anything from this class, please give a thumbs up on the comments section. Like I said earlier, the measurement for the rows is the entire length of the hour. I didn't get to cut out anything, I just folded the tips, the edge, okay. So when I was done tacking, I'm just going to place my little petals or little roses, you know, this way, okay, to beautify it and to cover up some places that I think that, you know, shouldn't be in sight, okay. So I'm just placing my roses, you know, in 1, 2, 3 places, and then we are good to go, guys. Thank you so very much for staying to the end of this class. We love and appreciate you. Please look forward to more videos. Do not forget to like, subscribe, share, and give your remark, okay, and even your feedback. So guys, this is the final look of this gele. Tell me what you think about it. Tell me what you think about it, okay. And we'll see you guys in our next video. Stay tuned. Goodbye and God bless.